What's up, y'all? I finally got some updates on my motor build that's been ongoing since 2019, I guess. Basically, since we had to start fresh at a new machine shop and everything, things have kind of been slow. Plus, with everything going on with work, no work for a time during last summer, and so on, everything's kind of been not a priority till now. So, everything is pretty much done at the machine shop. I had dart and dry sleeves installed into a different block that I had, and basically it's pretty much ready for assembly. So after the sleeves were installed, the bore was done, it's been honed to the specs I requested, and basically we're ready to get it going here soon, hopefully. So as far as the bottom end goes, simple but also some custom stuff. Got Manley's H-Tough Plus rods with the ARP 625 Plus rod bolts. I have my custom Wiseco pistons. They got 12.5 to 1 compression ratio with vertical gas ports, exhaust and intake valve reliefs, total seals, high tension rings, and then for the wrist pins, I got H13 quarter-inch wall thickness heavy duty wrist pins made for it. So basically that's all got to go together. The block is being O-ringed, so that should be done soon, and then it'll be ready for assembly. So pretty much, simple stuff. Massive speed oil or balance shaft delete with the oil pan windage tray. I got an EcoBoost oil pump, ARP main studs, head studs from Freak Tune, his H11 material ones. And then I got a Cometic MLX head gasket. And then for the head, had some bowl work done, upgraded valve springs, Kelford 247C cams. So pretty much it's just ready. Everything machining wise has been done. The bottom end's got to be assembled. The head's got to be put together. All the clearances done, for the buckets and stuff for the valves. And then it's got to be slapped together and timed. So I'm shooting for end of February, early March for everything to be ready to drop into the car. We'll see if that works out. Obviously, I'm busy now with work. It's hard to get time off, and then kind of just waiting on the shop to be ready to go as well so I can drop my car off and do the swap. Other than that, pretty much everything has been purchased. There's a couple small odds and ends that I need to get. Mainly overspeed seals for the injectors. I need my fluids, so coolant, brake-in oil, new fluids for the transmission, the transfer case, and the rear diff. I'm waiting on some axles to show up for the rear that we'll throw on and see if I can break them or not. And then for the transfer case, I have some Speed Performance billet caps that need to go in, and then some new seals and stuff for the transfer case. Other than that, brakes need address, so I have rotors that are already paid for, and rear pads, I just need to find some front pads. And do the rear end links, rear sway bar bushings and stuff to clear the new axles for and that'll be pretty much it. Other than that, hopefully I'll have an update for you guys sometime early March with the first start video, all that fun stuff. If not, hopefully shortly after that. And then we'll get some quick break in and turn it up and send it. Clutch wise, I got a twin disc, so we won't have to worry about any of that stuff. And then I guess one other thing I got to order is a new watt box. I had one, I took it off, and I ended up selling it, so need to get another one of those. But otherwise, pretty much just a couple small things to get. and then it'll be time to get it going. So I'll be back hopefully in a month or two with some more updates, and we'll go from there.